Hi guys, and welcome to Furb. So this week's been a tough week for the world. Some are rejoicing in things that have happened, others are kind of a bit upset and there's a bit of riots going on. And of course there's a celebrity that is now running a country, which is debatable whether that's a good thing or not. All things aside, that got me thinking. So if the world plunges into anarchy, specifically a certain country that I will not name, if things go haywire, I thought, what's going to happen to the PC market? That's kind of a big place. There's a lot of produce in that country. There's all the parts manufactured there, developed there. Crazy things could happen. And I thought, well, there's a game that's kind of like this. So the Fallout series. So I kind of went, all right, let's do a Fallout 4 build. I could have done this two ways. I could have gone, all right, let's just throw money in it. Let's build an amazing region. Good things will happen. But that's not the Fallout thing. So what we did is we went ahead and we round up some munted old parts, old Core 2s, old graphics cards. It's even the case, it's just dented all buggery. But that's fine. So let's get into it, guys. Alright guys, we're back. So, before we go ahead with the build, we better introduce the parts. So, starting off with the CPU, it is a Intel Core 2 Q6600, it's Core 2 Quad. It runs at 2.4, but that's kind of a little bit unacceptable at this point in the game. So we're going to overclock to 3 GHz with this little aftermarket cooler. Cannot remember the model number, so that's fine. Motherboard is a Gigabyte GA G31M-S2L. It's an old board, I've had it lying around for a very long time. 4 gigs of DDR2 RAM, I wish it was 8. Don't have it available, that's just the limitations of DDR2. Graphics card wise, trying to run Fallout 4, you're going to need something that's relatively modern. It's not really relatively modern, but it'll do the job. So Radeon HD 5850. We're probably going to have to dial it down to, I don't know, 720p, but it will run. So that's awesome. And then we have a 160 gig hard drive for storage, and power supply is a 500 watt, it's Silverstone, and the case is intentionally the most munted, broken case we could find. So we'll have fun trying to fit the parts in. It's a little bit dented, a little bit broken, we'll have to bang it out a little bit and make things fit, but totally fine guys. So let's go ahead and let's start the build. Alright guys, alright, so we're going to have to put this power supply in the case. So a little bit broken, a little bit munted, so we might have to bang it out a little bit with our trusty old spanner. But let's try and get it in there first. So, just hope you guys can see that in shot. Yeah, it's not going to fit. So, bang out. True Fallout style, guys. Get in there. Didn't want to fit. Hey, there we go, guys. Alright. That's the power supply in. Let's get the rest of the stuff in. Alright guys, so basically we're going to go ahead now and just get the motherboard, CPU, heatsink on there, RAM's in there already. We're going to get the graphics card in. We'll marry up when it's in the case. Hard drive is also in, so let's just go a little bit of the thermal paste. And there's really no hard and fast rule to do this, guys. I've done it a million different ways and it doesn't seem to make a freaking difference. Compound you use does make a difference, so bear that in mind. Right, cool. We'll go with that. So, there. And this is a blessing and a curse of a heatsink, because you get it wrong and you bend the pins and you have a really bad day. Get it right and it's super easy. guys, it's on. And looks pretty comfortable. Alright, cool. I'm happy with that. That's pretty well married up. So, now, we've just got to get it in the case. Alright guys, so graphics card time, and I'm having a little bit of trouble getting it in. Realising that I am a complete muppet. Well done. And yeah, helps you remove the bracket first. Totally didn't even realise that that still existed on the case.
About the only thing not broken on the case.
Oh, it is down. So, broken down. Look at you being the off-camera personality. It's great. Just showing the gaps. And it's in. So, you guys should totally check out the airflow on this because it's quite terrible. If you just want to come have a look, Mr. Cameraman. It's actually a little bit kind of not going to breathe. So, could be a problem. But we'll figure that out. And voila. My Fallout build is hypothetically complete. Go team! Alright guys, we're going to see if this... I have no words for this computer, it's terrible. Is it turned on? There's live.
Did you turn the screen on?
The screen is on! It's alive! Hey! Look at that! So it works, guys. Awesome. So, I didn't want to put you through the pain of watching me install Windows because it is fucking terrible and it's so long. We didn't do that. So, what we did was we went ahead and installed all the software in advance because the Australian internet is, as we all know, a bit shit. So we're going to be able to jump straight in and do some Fallout New Vegas and some Fallout 4. So, go team. Alright guys, we're back. So in, I guess, appropriateness, we've found two great things here. So we've found a beige PS2 mouse with one of these things. The wheel things that I played with when I was like 5. Yeah. Check it out, play the ball. I had no idea what to do with them. And we've also got an ancient IBM keyboard. So, we're about to find out, does Fallout 4 run? And to do that, we need Steam to be nice. And it's not being nice. Alright guys, so we're going to try it at 1650 by 1680 by 1050, which is pretty low res these days on low settings. So let's see if it runs, and we'll get out from there. We've all seen this. Sorry guys, no audio. So, pointless film. We're rendering at 50 frames. It's at 50 frames! 45! Ah. Alright guys, we're just going to rush through this. So, we'll get some gameplay going. And look at that. We can look around and we are rocking it at over 30 frames. Not bad. This is impressive. There's a Weltic guy. without subtitles because I have no sound. Great. Cool. Let's talk to this guy, get my coffee. Oh!
So much for the good power supply.
Yeah. Alright guys, so this is an awkward ending to a video. Something's gone bang, and I gotta figure out what it is. So, we're gonna do a video about this next week, but yeah, it went bang. My theory is power supply, and in short, it did work. It ran at 30 frames. And downside is I might have blown up a very expensive power supply. So, good work. Alright guys, I'll see you in the next video. So like this one if you liked it, dislike it if you disliked it, and leave a comment in the description if you have anything to say about this. So thanks for watching guys.